CPA, Certified Public Accountants. What exactly is this and why have you heard it so many times? Whether it is amongst friends and people who are working in this world, in the field of finance or accounts, or if you watch shows like Suits or movies like Shawshank Redemption, why do you keep hearing these three initials? In this video, we're going to figure out. So first of all, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're not subscribed, please do it. Well, what is CPA? In India, you can become a chartered accountant. That way, in the US, if you want to be a US CA, you become a CPA US. The body of Indian CA is called ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The CPA US body is called AICPA, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. So, and now remember guys that CPA is a term which is used not only for the CA of US, but also CA of Australia, CA of Canada, CA of Singapore. So all countries across the world have their own CA terminologies. It's just that in India we call it CA, Chartered Accounting. In US we can talk about CPA. Whether you want to earn in rupees or dollars, basically all options become open once you take up CPA. So guys, if you found value in this video, then do let us know. And as always, if you need anything else, please put it in the comments below.